What's up, guys? It's Sid back here with another video. Since we know our Toyota Corolla is running, it's time to clean it up and get it ready for sale. This is disgusting. Okay, so this center console is particularly nasty, so that'll be the next thing we focus on. To handle that, we got some simple green that we're gonna spray down in there. We're gonna give that a little time to soak. Now once it's soaked for a while, you can take an old toothbrush and then agitate that crud. Then just get your old rag and wipe that stuff up. Is this pasta? My God, bro. And now I'm gonna take some natural shine cleaner and clean all this stuff up. All this dust and fadedness. Clean it all up. Alright, now take a look at that. Yeah, looking better already. Looking better already. The dash was faded. But yeah, center console area cleaned up, a little shiny looking. Steering wheel got that cleaned up. And now we focus on that glass, cause it ain't as bad in this camera, but man, that thing dirty. The trunk doesn't seem that bad compared to the rest of the car. But let's get this cleaned up. Alright, this is our after. Looks pretty good compared to what it was before. Yeah, it's good enough. Y'all gotta understand, this ain't no show car. Ain't nobody need to come around here rubbing on the body and all that, checking it out. Man, it's gonna be a daily driver for somebody. So it got cool AC, it got hot heat, and it runs good. So, and it's gonna save you some gas. That's all I'm really concerned about. If you come around here with all that, you know, rubbing on the body, checking it for dings and dents and all that, I mean, you got the wrong car. Might as well get going with that. But yeah, looks pretty good, pretty clean. Yeah, much better than before. Much better than before. And y'all probably wondering why y'all ain't seen me clean the driver's side. I already cleaned it before the video, so that's why on that windshield came out much better. You can actually see now. But yeah, it looks pretty good. Get some seat covers and throw it on here, and this will be about ready to go. That's probably what we're gonna call it for this video. We got the car cleaner, Chris Fix style. And yeah, it's looking much better. So next, we'll clean the outside and get some seat covers, do some other things off camera, and that'll be it. This car will be posted for sale. Send it on to the next person, and then that'll be that'll be it. So y'all keep grinding, keep it going. I'm out.